Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Infatuation wig from Raquel Welch in the color SS130, which is one of my favorite reds. This is a really dark coppery auburn with a really nice dark brown root. And I've talked about this color in other videos, so I'm not really going to talk about it much here. I'd rather just get right to the nuts and bolts of talking about Infatuation. So Infatuation is one of the Raquel Welch wigs that they have recently re-released. Like, they just took a bunch of new model pics and they're like, hey, guess what? We've had this wig the whole time, but it's part of our new spring collection. So anyway, marketing gimmicks, huh? Anyway, so the front down on Infatuation is 4 inches. The crown down is 8 inches. These sides are 7, the back is 8, and the nape is 7. So this is kind of a mid-length, you know, like a shorter mid-length wig. And it's definitely shaggy. Like, look at all the layers. It's kind of like a bob and a shag had a longer baby. You know, because it's like a page boy in the front with, you know, some shaggy layering. And then it's totally a shag in the back. But it's definitely got some of these shorter layers, like what you see in a shag. So, I guess what would we call like a shag bob hybrid? Shab. We can't call it bag, so we have to call it a shab. So this is a shab. So let me go ahead and turn around and show you what Infatuation looks like on all sides. You can see how these layers are just like boom on the face. Very, very flattering. And I think that the bang on Infatuation is awesome. That is like a perfect bang. It's fringy, it goes right into place, and it doesn't really get in your eyes. I'm not, you know, oh, hair in my face. Oh, I think this is a darling shab. I'm gonna make that a thing. So this is a 4.8 ounce wig, and it is really, it does feel like a 4.8 ounce wig, which is kind of heavy for a wig that has this light of a hair density. But I think that's just because of the cap construction, honestly. So since I'm talking about the cap, let's go ahead and take this one off so I can show it to you. So Infatuation has a really nice monofilament top. It is a single mono top. And it has a generous band of polyurethane right here at the front hairline. This is not a lace front wig. We do have open sides, open back, and extended nape with a Velcro adjuster, but it is not a felt nape. We also have open ear tabs here on the side. This wig is quite stretchy, and it is not a memory cap wig. It's not a memory cap wig. And it does have a generous bump of perm tease right here at the crown, and I'll show that to you. Right there, right behind the crown. And that's what gives Infatuation her shape. So she's got a little bit of a bump it back there. You can see how pretty and dynamic this color is, by the way. Reminds me a bit of Crimson LR from the Noriko line, except of course the rooting isn't long on this one. This one is super easy, because even though she's straight, she's so layered, she actually looks better messy, like a shag would. So you don't really have to do much to her. She just goes right into place. So this has been my review of the Infatuation wig by Raquel Welch. This is a really easy wig to wear. And the color on this has been SS130, also known as Shadow Shades Dark Copper. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching my videos. If you have a chance, please check out our store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com. And until next time, I hope you have a great night. Bye-bye.